Just last month, you were there for the spring meetings. Does IMF have anything to do with the prices of fuel that we are seeing in the country?
If I may throw back that question and ask, since this crisis began, what is it that we have done that has increased the prices? Mm-hmm. So where is IMF coming from? Because there is no levy that. In fact, as a matter of fact, we have reduced VAT.
Yeah.
And we have applied stabilization fund. So there is no any other levy that has been added from February or even from last year. So where is the IMF coming from? Mm-hmm. I don't see. Actually, you know, the role of IMF is to offer advisory services. I think people have not understood IMF and World Bank. IMF is a fund that advises member states on some macroeconomic issues. Anytime there is a possible shock, they advise. They can offer. You can take the advice or leave it. Now, like in this case, what they would tell you is general, that countries should brace themselves. Countries should look for ways of trying to address the possible effects of the fuel prices. That is what the IMF will tell you. They will not tell you, go and reduce VAT, go and add this. No. I have never heard that from IMF. So anyone who is trying to push that agenda is politicizing an already very fluid situation. The situation we are in today, Jimmy, is dire.
Yeah.
And it is not confined to Kenya. It is a world problem. Mm-hmm. It's a global problem.
So are you saying that IMF has not asked you to give too much concessions?
On what?
On petroleum products?
No. We have never entered in such a discussion with IMF.
Okay.
Not that I have led. And by the way, no one engages with with the IMF directly in matters like this. Economy. I lead the team that engages with IMF.
All right. So let's talk about our budget.